Hey everyone, in this video we're going to show you how to put designs inside of letters in Canva. So instead of going to text, we're going to go to elements and then we're going to scroll down to frames. So now these are where we will find our letters. So we'll type in L since we will be spelling out love. So we'll select the one that we like. And then we will be putting in O. Now if you push the 3 dots on the side, you can see the title of the name of the letter. So we want to make sure that we're getting the same type of letter. So we'll select this O. And then we'll grab the V, make sure we're getting the same type. Or if you like the style of having different types, you can do that too. And then finally the E. All right, and now we're just going to position them in the format that we like. And then we can go ahead and group them and move them to the center of the canvas or wherever you would like on your project. And now we can go back out of frames, and this is where we can put the design into each of the letters. So we're going to type in what kind of design we want. So we'll do purple glitter. And then you just select the picture and drag it and drop it into the letter. We'll just do glitter for this one. Maybe we'll just put it on a black background just to make it pop a little bit more. Perfect. All right, and there you have it. So that is how you put a design inside of a letter. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more.